Hey, you guys, I want to tell you some more about Mary's cooking school. I just love that so much. But one of the things I love to teach is kitchen survival. This is a class that gives you confidence to freestyle. So, like, you come home, it's Thursday, you're really tired. Ugh, what do? Don't pick up the phone, don't get on the internet and call for that pizza. You don't need to. All you need to do is know how to stock your cupboards, have stuff ready, plan ahead a little bit, and I can show you how. Let me just show you real quick how I set up my one of my drawers. Okay, here we go. This is the carbohydrate drawer, basically. But in here, pasta, quinoa, orzo, polenta, all these kind of things, and they just need a few things to make them better. And then you go over here to your spices. Now this is excessive because, I'm a nut, but with just a few of the things in your cupboard, you can make a meal. So that's www.maryjwhite.com. Okay. And check out the classes, you guys. There's 5 ingredients or less, kitchen survival, knife skills. You know you need knife skills. Cookies for kids, which is totally fun, and excellent eggs. I'll show you all the things to do with eggs. So check it out, you guys. And we can Zoom or you can come over, but get the gang together and learn some stuff. Okay, that's maryjwhite.com. Bye.